Why, hello there. This is Calabrios, and welcome to the Calabrios Cartel. We'd like to talk with you today about this wonderful young band, One Direction. Their new album, Take Me Home, is taking the boys very far. Basically, they're almost at the top of the charts, in fact. Their sophomore album sold, 540,000 recordings in its first week, and it's the third highest debut of this year, only behind Taylor Swift. Her album Red, which sold 1.2 million units its first week earlier this month, and the Mumford and Sons, their album Babel, which sold more than 600,000 albums in September. And so the boys are doing great, and I wish them the best of luck.